Good morning, good afternoon, based on the location you are. Okay, so before the tea break, we have gone with the installation of the Oracle Linux, which is the latest one, 9.4 version. And now we are going to install the Oracle 19c top onto that. As you all know, this won't support by default because the day when the Oracle Linux was released, before that Oracle database was already published. So database component is not aware about this Linux version. So we will try the different method. So for that 19.3 we won't use. We will need to upgrade to the latest Oracle 19c. So in case either I can go with the 19.19 or 19.20 or above, then only it will work. So we have used Oracle 19c database, 19.3 software binary, and top onto that during the installation, we will apply the release update for the 1919 or above. Then only it will work with this, otherwise it won't work. So that's the one thing you can keep into mind whenever you are going to install, whenever you are going to do. These are the some standard practice which you should familiar and you can able to do it. Otherwise it won't work properly. Okay. So let me go and try these things and we'll see if we can able to install. And for this installation, the very easy way we can use the RPM package, and based on the RPM package, we are going to install it. So first thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to the pre-install. So Oracle pre-install package I'm going to use, which will update my all the kernels. So you can see I'm using the yum install by Oracle database pre-install. So this package will change all the kernel parameter which is required for Oracle 19c. Plus they will create Oracle users and everything's accordingly. So it is a pre-installed package for setting the kernel, for setting the memory, the users, group, and so on. So whatever the thing is required for Oracle installation, those all will be done here. Now it is done. Let me change my password for the user because user is also created. So let me go and change the password. And which user? Oracle user. I'm changing the password. I'm keeping the same password. Of course, username and password should not be same. That's why it is giving me the message. But I'm using the same, so I can remember the thing. Okay. And here we have changed the password. But you can see in this file in the temp directory, I have already downloaded the Oracle RPM, which I am going to install. So that is my main purpose for installing it. So this RPM, as you know, Oracle, you can download the zip file and then you can uncompress and you can use. Alternate way you can use like this RPM based installation. So whenever you are installing Oracle software RPM base, you should run from the root user. When you are installing from the zip file, then like the run installer, that case you can go with the Oracle user. Okay, so for this installation, we are going to use the RPM instead of going to use the default one. And one more thing you can keep into mind, when RPM based installation you are doing, so it won't install into the traditional way what we are doing, like /u01 app Oracle, that way. Why? Because here the script is there and the script it is mentioned /opt Oracle directory. So that's why it will be used there. And that is the way it will do. So first of all, let me see the permission which we have. So here you can see the permission. So let me change the permission for installation. So I'm putting ch mode and I'm giving read, write, execute, pull for everyone. Okay, that is done. And now let me see the only this file, what the status we have given. So the permission you can see now, the root can able to read, write, execute, group can able to do, and other can also able to do. So that permission is given. Now this is the time where I can install it. So for that I am using the yum server and I am putting the local install, and then this is the RPM which I am going to give. This way my installation will start. Let's just wait. So it will go whatever the required RPM is needed, they will download and then they will install the Oracle. Okay. Okay. So installation will take a bit longer. Meanwhile, we can go for our other task. Let me click on my machine. So in the background, I'm preparing the next command. Okay, Oracle is right. Okay, so installation is still in the progress. Installation in the progress. As you can see, it will take time. Meanwhile, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so now you can see the installation has completed. Now to start it, we are going to use this configuration file, which will create the database and other things. So let me show you what is mentioned in this configuration file. You can get a clear picture of this. So this okay, I am not in this location. Let me quit. So basically, this is my file. And let me show you. Where I am. Let me go to the my etc directory. So I'm putting here slash machine. That's why it's happened. Let me copy first correctly. And this file, if you can read, you can find this is the Oracle home they are going to use. So they are using the Oracle home like this. And if you remember traditionally what you are putting slash U01 app Oracle product like that way. They're exporting the Oracle version, exporting the Oracle SID. So this is the name, and you can change it if you want as per your choice. Okay. And then these all things they are going to create. I'm not changing anything. I'm just going to start my configuration. So this will basically create a database. It will create a listener, and it will create a service for the my database. What is the database name? You can see we are going to use here the Oracle CDB, and then we have Oracle PDB1 that will be also there. So that way we are creating the new database. So meanwhile, I'm minimizing because it will take the longer time. So I'm pausing the recording. As you can see, now we are on 36%. So basically copying the data file is completed. Now it's creating and starting the Oracle instance, but it will take time. So to keep my video in the lesser size, I'm pausing the recording. Okay, so now you can see my installation has completed successfully. So this you can see the completed database creation. Then they have created a pluggable database. Then they have created the post configuration, and that's where my database completed successfully. Any doubt, any question, if anyone have, please let me know. And here is the log cap. What to build it. And this is the my database name, partial 3DB. And when here I'm logging, so of course OS user and other things is a different part what we have given. Let me try it. But there is some glitch. What is the glitch? If you will try, because we have not given the password for installation, correct? And OS authentication has not completed. So what you can see here, if you can go into this file, you can notice we will set it because this version we need to do those so many other things too before using it. So here you can see. So very clearly you can see we are using the path, then we are exporting the Oracle. This one, this is the my Oracle version. This is my Oracle SID, and this is my database. The super listener, HCA, Oracle owner, Oracle. So we need to switch to the Oracle user first. So who is the owner for Oracle database? Oracle. And that's why when you try to connect with the root user, it won't allow. Okay. So we need to switch the Oracle user, and but let me change the password for Oracle user. And Oracle user, if I remember, we have given the password Oracle itself. So I'm switching to the Oracle user. And here I'm just setting the environment variable. What was my database name? As per my command, you can see this is the my global database. Okay. And then here I'm putting a school plus as SDB. I can have to log in. Okay. Congratulations. You have successfully installed Oracle 19C top onto the Oracle Linux 9.4, which is the latest one. So open mode from the database. Interesting. This is my database which is running. What's the CDB? Later on, once you have done, you can do anything, you can create any of the environment, but make sure every time you have to set the Oracle environment, then you have to, because these tools will not work because we have not set the environment variable and other things. So for a smooth using of the Oracle, we need to set the environment variable, correct? So later on, if anything required, we can able to get it. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a profile DB first. Let me go and let me change my profile DB. So here I'm creating the profile, and in my profile, I'm going to mention the details what I require. Okay, so what I put, this is the host name, my machine name, which is called DB trainings. Then I'm exporting the Oracle home, the host name. This is the my Oracle database, export Oracle unique, Oracle base, and then we can set the Oracle home, and similar way we can use. So that's another way you can able to do the thing. Alternate way, you can go to the bin directory, and from there also you can able to use it. That's an alternate way. The profile DB I have created. Now let me go and open my bash profile. So in Oracle, in bash profile, we are going to set this one, because this information I need to set into my bash profile. Okay. In my bash profile, if I will set this one, then I can able to set the variable. Let me go and set it. So here I'm just putting the my profile in. Right and quit. Or you can set the environment variable, everything here. That's the way you can also able to do, you can able to use it. Clear? Any doubt, any question, then feel free to ask me, guys. And now we can restart, we can see everything will work smoothly. Hope you all understood the concept. So now you can go ahead, check it. open underscore mode from user patterns. Good. So we understood the concept. Any doubt, any questions? If anyone have, feel free to ask me. Let me exit from here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy these things so you can able to use while you all are going to install it. So I can remove the lots of the unnecessary line which is there, and then I will show you. Okay. So I'm going with the my file which I have created. And you all can go for this installation and other steps. Okay, so I will send you this file to everyone for all that entry, and I'm removing this line so it will give you the clear picture what they did. But I don't want these things. The file should be created the long one that I don't want. If you wish, I'm okay with that. You can use it. That's not a problem. But here, just I do the pre-installation. The pre-installation has updated these RPM. Very simply, you can understand. These RPM files has done. Okay, and then my installation has they install these packages. I'm just keeping they have installed this package. Just for understanding. After that, I have changed the password for Oracle user. Then I have shown you I have downloaded the software Oracle software, either RPM or JIT as per your choice. So in my example, I have used RPM based installation. These files you can see, I'm removing the other files. You can just get the fuller picture what we did. Here I have given the permission for this file. I've given the permission and then we have checked it. Now we have installed the Oracle. Oracle software using RPM. Okay. After that, what I did, like just removing this line, what they did. So it will give you the after installation. And then here I am creating the new database. Using configuration file. That way I have done. Okay. We have just shown you. I just guided here my configuration file. So here we use. Okay. So I put in here using this file. Just check for your time. Just check for your reference. What it did. And finally installed. So after the database creation, this I am putting the incomplete, and we can able to see the database was created. And after that, what it did, they have told you to go ahead. So for this, it clearly says database configuration completed. The password is auto generated. You must change the password for this. So okay, but I need to switch to the Oracle user. I have already changed the password. Not required this thing. I'm just removing these lines. The password was already changed. So I will directly switch to the user. And after switching the user, I have just set the environment variable. And then you all know restore. I've corrected it. We checked it. That's it, the installation part. Okay, restore. I've done a gap profile and other thing that you are already aware. Hope you understood the concept and this is for my best profile which we have created. So accordingly you can do. I'm giving the file name. Okay, and I'm putting this file in the student guide. What the file name there? Oracle 19C installation on Oracle Enterprise Linux 9.4. Okay, good. That's for the my end, guys. If anyone have any doubt, any questions so far, feel free to ask me. Hope you all understood the concept. Take care. Bye bye. We'll catch you in the some other video.